Our public infrastructure, bridges, roads, water mains, is aging. The threat of failure is constant and the stakes are immense. Counties and boroughs can tap into hidden efficiencies, and the first step is to reduce their reliance on paper. The solution can be as simple as replacing the clipboards that government workers carry. This technology prevents catastrophic failures and makes government fundamentally more proficient and responsive. We'll show you how these apps transform daily work, create predictive power, and build safer communities. So, how does a simple app create such a dramatic impact? It begins by attacking the biggest source of waste: paperwork. First, paper forms and manual data entry are gone. Inspectors complete everything on site, instantly digitizing the record. Second, inspectors stop driving back to the office to file reports. This cuts thousands of work hours and significant fuel costs. Third, with offline functions, work continues without a cell signal. Data syncs automatically once a connection is found. The result is a massive increase in productivity. Inspectors conduct more site visits each day with far less administrative burden. But speed is useless if the data is flawed, and this is where the digital advantage becomes undeniable. What makes this data so much more powerful than a scanned PDF of an old paper form? The difference is found in 3 areas. First, accuracy. Standardized forms, drop-down menus, and mandatory photo uploads stop guesswork. Data is consistent. Second, immediacy. Data syncs from the field in real time. A manager sees a critical issue seconds after it's logged. Third, collaboration. Photos, notes, and GPS tags are shared instantly between teams, alerting a maintenance crew immediately. The old way: an inspector finds a crack, drives to an office, and files a report that is processed days later. Response time is dangerously slow. The new way: they photo the crack, flag it, and a supervisor gets an instant alert. The data is not a record. It's a real-time, actionable signal. Infrastructure reviews, equipment inspections, and OSHA audits, all reported through purpose-built apps, allow governments to respond to citizens' concerns faster. The savings came from wiping out administrative work for road construction inspectors. Daily reports, materials tracking, and payments went digital. This isn't just for roads. Cities use the same principles for bridge inspections, water utilities, and public building maintenance. Digital transformations are the logical result of replacing an archaic system with a modern one, a benchmark for what's possible. Efficiency gains are impressive. But the true shift isn't just doing the same work faster. It's using the data to see the future. Every inspection photo and measurement becomes a data point. Over time, AI can analyze this data to find patterns that predict failures. This allows for proactive maintenance, fixing a small problem before it becomes a catastrophe, extending the life of public assets. How do you prioritize? AI algorithms quantify risk, assigning a risk score to assets. Agencies can now focus limited resources on the most critical sites first. This predictive power directly improves safety. Early detection prevents accidents, and better data reduces the need for inspectors to enter high-risk areas. So we have real-time data and predictive power. When you combine these, you fundamentally alter how government operates. Recall the live data for instant action? Combine it with AI's risk scores. This is evidence-based governance, decisions based on facts, not guesswork. This process creates an unbreakable digital audit trail. With timestamps and GPS logs, accountability is built directly into the workflow. This modern approach solves another problem: attracting talent. Younger generations expect technology. A tablet is more appealing than a clipboard. When government is efficient and accountable, it builds something more valuable than a bridge: public trust. Citizens see their money working. Looking forward, this real-time data is vital for adapting to extreme weather. It provides the tools for climate-resilient infrastructure. We've seen the change from a world of delayed, paper-based reactions to a future of immediate, data-driven, predictive action. Mobile inspection applications are proven, necessary tools for preventing failures, improving efficiency, and building a responsive government. For public leaders, the time to adopt these solutions is now. For citizens, it's time to demand this level of foresight from government.